Hello and welcome. In this video, we will see how a discussion forum can be utilized in online teaching learning technique. So you can always add a discussion forum as an activity in Moodle. So I will just show you how you can add a forum in Moodle. So this is an activity and you can select this forum. So this activity module will enable the participants to have asynchronous discussions. So it will extend over a period of maybe a month or even until the entire class is been finished. So it's all about discussions that is happening about a subject that's part of the course. A discussion forum can be initiated by a teacher, or even students can be allowed to start a discussion thread. So this is how you can add. Basically you can add and you can name it as a discussion forum. So this is one of the discussion forum that has been added to the to this flipping our classrooms course. So let's see the discussions that is happened within this discussion forum. So let me click here and see. So you can see always the student or the instructor can start a new discussion topic. So online learning is all about connections, where students give each other help and feedback and thus converge towards a better learning. So this helps how the shared understanding of a concept can be made stronger by comparing and constructing different student elaborations on the same concept. So you can see here, you can see the discussion forum and the discussion threads have been started by. So this is one of the student who started a discussion on flipped classroom. So this is another student who started a thread of discussion on great learning experience, and these two threads in fact started by the instructor by posing some interesting questions to the students. So let's see here how the discussion goes. So you see it's a thread format. So one student has started a comment or a question or just some reflections on the topics that the student has learned. So so it gives a piece of thread for thinking. So let me just read it. Flipped classroom essentially deals with creative aspects of students, inverting the taxonomy of Bloom. But what about the technologically insipid, rote method oriented students in the class? Will they be sidelined in the new system? So with this question, each learner of this course can come and they can post their reply here. So just clicking here, the student or the instructor can reply. So one of the reply that the instructor has given is this. So now the student again thinks about the reply that is given, and then again student can again start the this goes ahead with uh, thinking over the concepts, again reflecting on that, right? So this way we can engage the student actively. So in online learning, the instructor should fully engage and connect the students to maximize their active effort to elaborate, coordinate, and give each other constructive feedback with a collective goal in mind. So, this discussion forums are basically we can use it for that purpose. So, active engagement of the students and connecting them, elaborating their thoughts about the subject that is to be discussed here, their feedbacks. So everything can be coordinated using a simple discussion forum. So this is a very powerful tool. Each teacher has to use this very effectively to connect to their students. So this will enable the teacher and taught learning more deeply by harnessing cognitive diversity. So I encourage all of you to come up with your thoughts about this course, start a discussion topic, and rather than awaiting for an answer from the teacher, each learner can just start replying their thoughts on the questions or the ideas that is been posted here. So that will help all the learners to advance their thinking process. So this is all about discussion forum. Thank you.